Okay, this was still in Botanic Garden last January 2025. That was half day of 5 days that we were in Singapore. Now, I know there are a lot of good places, beautiful places in Singapore to go instead of going here because there are a lot of plants also in the Philippines. But that day we spent to, go walking because we don't do it here in the Philippines. We are just busy every day. I don't know. But anyway, let me continue talking about the product discussed by Team Supreme Pegasus from Indonesia, Hasim. Okay, he said, when I tell people Pure Cheer 7 is good for 6 months, sometimes this isn't always the case because other members of the family take Pure Cheer too. So 7 bottles can last to only 2 months. Well, my own experience is actually, there is no overdosage of taking pure cheer. So it depends to you. Okay, when do you want to recover more pure cheer intake every day, faster recovery? There is no waste. It is not true that it will go to the waste because it is already too much to the body, not in pure cheer because pure is processed into 6 modern technologies right now. So for people who don't have health problems, health issues, they can take the one set therapy 7 bottles for 6 months. Okay, but for those because every time, okay, I share about the pure chair, I always encourage my client to buy the one set therapy for two initial good reasons. First, their therapy will not be, will not stop, skip, because if they buy only bottle for bottle, and then the tendency is so many days of skipping, so the therapy is stop slow like that. So I advise them to take one set therapy, so they have continued taking on pure cheer. However, for some families, because for many families it is only one, not only one person who need pure cheer. Some families, they need, everyone in the family needs pure cheer, from parents, grandparents, to kids, to grandchildren. So one set therapy is advisable. Then you can actually have a discount about that. Instead of buying per bottle another, you get this diamond account membership, which gives you 10 to 70% commission or bonuses when you tell your friends about the product. So here in Reway, you get two things in up front. Okay, the one set therapy plus an international business franchise. You're in the Philippines, you have friends all over the world, you have neighbors, families who are taking their medicines into therapy, and all, you can tell them about the product. Then of course, that is pure cheer. This is stem cell safe to the body, any age, whether it is she is pregnant or newborn babies or infant. Okay, now let's continue with the message of Hasim. This is a proof that Porche has a very fast turnover because our product is consumable. So people buy more Porche for the health of their entire family. So it is a protection actually for the entire family. Imagine if you are going to, if your family will take your cheer, now you have peace of mind. If you give Porche to your parents or your aged parents, and you are far working, you have your own family, then it's like a gift of health to them. Day after day, they're getting better. Day after day, they become healthy. You don't need later on to send money for their medication, treatment, checkup, and all. It's because they are already into stem cell, into pure cheer. So Reway is not afraid of being copied because it is very hard to imitate. Portrait testimony is a lot which serve as a proof that the quality and marketability is extraordinary. So our CEO Lim Bun Hong uses all company resources to increase and advance the formula and composition of technology every edition that we have. So Perche has been good from one edition, first edition, to seventh edition at the specific point of time. So Perche is getting better and better, and with every year with very minimal price increase. Okay, so this is very true. So our CEO, Mr. Lee Boon Hong, becomes happy when he sees that others are happy too. That is the mission of our CEO. The purpose is to help everyone recover from sure recovery from their health.